Hello students, this video of mine is for those students who really want to contact me. I've got abundant queries regarding how they can reach me, what services I'm providing, how they can contact me. This was the general query of majority of the parents. So I thought, why not to make a video? I'm not going to speak only in English. I'll make it a Hinglish where Hindi and English will be mixed. So it is easy for the parents to understand and to decode my website, that is www.360careercoach.com. Now, let me start by introducing myself first. Myself, Anjali Drolia, a teacher, senior educationist, academician with around 16 plus years of experience, taught in various schools across the country, length and breadth of the country, from private school to public school, from residential school to government school. So in all these years of my teaching, I have interacted with so many students and faced the common problem faced by the students is a lack of information at the right time. So with a small vision in mind to help as many students as possible, to help them understand their true potential and mission so that they live their life of their dream. I started this website and the name is Ravanjali Career and Educational Solution Center, which offers personalized career guidance catering to those who seek to analyze and identify their aptitude, they pursue their passion, realize their goals, and achieve professional success. So here I am to help the students so that they can identify their potential and choose the right career. So let's get started. And I have named this video as decoding the website. So first, once you type the URL, you will reach to this kind of home page where you will get so many tabs: home, about us, why counseling, services, gallery, contact us. So you can contact me either through this number which is given over here, or you can write a mail to me, or you can click on this tab. You'll find a drop down box will come where you have to fill in the information, which includes your name, your phone number, your mail ID, and then once I get this information, I'll revert to you. So this is how you can reach me. Then question come, why you need counseling? That's a very important question, $1 million question. Now, you must have seen, I'll just give a brief analogy over here. Like first time when you were doing your cycling, or you were cooking a recipe alone, you must have struggled, must have found it difficult to have perfection in that. But with perseverance, you must have achieved success. Now, take the scenario in a way where the same thing you are doing, but now you are getting little assistance from your parents or peers or friend, whosoever, but little assistance. So what it will do? It will ease the process. The transition will be very smooth. You'll enjoy the experience. So this is the role of career counselor. They help and ease the process, provide support, and do hand holding in the crucial time when children need, from their grade 8 to 12, where they have to take number of decisions which are leading to their career. So I hope why you need a career counselor. So let me put it in this way. Counseling helps to declutter your thoughts and provide a clear picture of students liking, their interest, their aptitude, their attitude, their personality, and help the students mentally and psychologically sound. So counseling advice builds the future of the students. It is very important to take a counseling advice in order to save years and money that would be invested in doing something which you will not enjoy. This point is very important. So let's move to the next step. Once you come to my website, you will see under services, these are the tab: school students from 11 to 12, school student 8 to 10, college students, other services. So once you click 11 and 12, you'll get this kind of drop box. So I'm providing services for profile evaluation to counseling package, assessment and counseling, India complete package, and international complete package. I'll give you a brief layout what exactly this is all about. Now, first is the profile evaluation. It is very important for any class 12 student because this is a stepping stone for your, you can say, resume making. So once you come to my website, when I give you a revert mail on my technology page, you will automatically get the access of making your profile. So you can build your profile, and along with that you'll get access to 26 self-research tool which help you to research various careers, various courses in various countries of your choice, in India as well as abroad, and all those things can be provided to you on your mail. So this is the basic service you will get with the minimum amount of 500. Now next is the counseling package. So the same services will be included, but along with that you are getting 2 counseling sessions of 1 hour where the entire thing about the like based on your strength, your weaknesses, your when you do your profile making, based on that I'll understand your strength, your weaknesses, and I'll guide you for your uh, what career you should opt for, but it will not include any psychometric test. Third category, where same thing, but you are getting psychometric test and 1 more counseling, that is 3 counseling of 1 hour each along with the psychometric test. So it could be the psychometric test, there are various types. For 11 and 12, let me speak. It is like your generally for grade 11 children, I suggest the ideal career test, which help you to identify the 3 important careers which are ideal for you. Now, if you think those careers are in line with what you are thinking, then it will validate your choice. But if you think those careers are not in sync with what you are thinking, what your parents are thinking, then you can uh, understand that your aptitude and your interest are different. In that case, you need a counseling session where we'll come and we'll discuss more about it and the career which suits you. So ideal career test is for grade 11 students. Next, for grade 12, now if you are a science student from PCM, it is engineering branch selector test, where um, it's very obvious that every PCM student, majority of them, they are opting for engineering exam, and you should be knowing which branch is ideal for you based on your interest, your strength. So where is your true potential? So this test help you to identify your hidden traits. And for commerce student, it is the commerce branch selector test, commerce selector test, where it helps you to identify whether you have interest for the finance domain or non-finance domain, whether you should go for law or you should go for finance career like chartered accountancy, cost accountancy, or ICWA, or many emerging courses which are there. And for humanities, it is like based on your subject combination, your strength and weaknesses, various careers will be identified, and you will understand which career is ideal for you. So next, if you are a student of grade 8 or 8 to 10, so you will see once you press the tab, you'll get these are the services for 8 to 10. First is the profile evaluation, which I have already explained. Second is the counseling package, where you will get the same features which are there in profile evaluation plus that 1 hour duration 2 counseling session. And the third one is assessment and counseling package, where along with all those things, and there are 3 counseling session of 1 hour each, 1 psychometric test. Now it could be ideally for class 8 student, it is the personality test. For class 9, we suggest the multiple intelligence test, and for class 8, if we do the learning test, then in class 9 you do the personality test and multiple intelligence test, and in class 10, very important, is the stream selector test. So these are the various psychometric tests which can be done for student of grade 10. That gives very clear idea about stream to opt for. If you are already clear from the beginning about the stream which you want to choose, then you validate your choice. There's no harm in validating. After all, you are going to pursue that career for lifelong. So have, I mean, just the validation. Now, next for the college students, it is the Universities Admission Package and International Universities Admission Package. So, the differences like uh, you will get the basic profile evaluation followed by counseling session of 1 hour each. That is 3 counseling sessions. Psychometric testing is there for personality and aptitude. It could be in terms of ideal career test, or it could be in terms of your multiple intelligence, your learning style assessment. So those psychometric testings are done. Detailed report and analysis with 3 career indications. So this is a part of your package. Along with that, you'll get 5 to 6 counseling session a year. Now, first one, this counseling is related with the psychometric, and this counseling is related to your admissions. So admissions in various universities based on your performance in like uh, you can say based on your performance in class 12 or undergraduate UG course, we'll see that which course is ideal and which college provides you the subject of your choice, and accordingly you can choose which exam you should write, what is the syllabus of that exam, your course content of that exam, what are the options you have, what are the emerging careers, what are the alternative careers along with the traditional careers. Every guidance you will get under this one umbrella. Now, international university package, where along with what I've discussed before, you'll be getting the end-to-end support about the SOP, that is the your statement of purpose, LOR, that is your letter of recommendation, how to write essays. Now, admission about the various exams which you can write for various countries. There are very different ways of the exams which are to be written, where you require your SAT score or IELTS score or your ACT score. So how to write those exams, what is the modalities of those, every detail you will be getting under this website. Now, what are the extra services? Now, for the school, workshops are given. Now, in the school workshop, depending upon the assistance they require, whether they require assistance for overseas universities admissions, guidance for in general guidance for the students, or about the emerging Indian universities like Kriya, Ashoka, Flame, information about that, or how to write SOPs, LOR and essays for the student. So depending on the requirement, the workshops are given, and then private online tuitions are available. So these are all the services which are provided in this website. So as I told you, you can contact me. The Dropbox is there. You'll fill up all these information and then you will reach out to me. Now, the most crucial part which people are not aware is this technology login page. Now, what is this technology login page? When I'm saying so many times that you can study about the career, you study about the all those courses. So once you reach out to me, I'll be providing you a link. Through that link, you can reach to this technology page and you can do the self explore all those career courses of your choice. So this is the dashboard of the your technology page. It will be, suppose any student who has contacted, so his or her name will be here. You will get tabs like this: research, self-assessment, communication tools, my products, like this. So under every Dropbox you will get certain features are there you can explore. So as I have mentioned that when you will get access to 26 research tools, so these are the research tools, these are the psychometric test assessment. When you do the, when you scroll down to this tab, you'll get all the self assessment. Then you will have an access for all the webinars which are very informative. So like this is the most interesting part of the website. Now, suppose you scroll down the research, you'll get something like this, where you'll get a list of top colleges in various countries. Then you will, suppose you scroll down the careers, so list of various careers which are there, various scholarships present in options which are there in various countries. Everything you'll get under the one click of button. And what are the admission tests required? So all information you will get. Similarly, when you click on uh, like I was saying, when you click on careers, you will get so many careers which are there. You can choose the career of your choice and you can do the research. Third is the scholarships. Now, what are the various scholarships present in India, USA, UK, Australia, Singapore? So different scholarship available for the student. You can see all those things. Now, next comes the psychometric test. So these are the list of psychometric tests students can take depending on their class in which they are, as I've already briefed. Next is like under the tool you will get webinar. These are very interesting. You can see access to so many over the 100 webinars are there. You can get a recording of all those webinars. You can listen to those webinars and these are very informative. You can explore the fee structure for various colleges, various universities. Even you can take the mock test for the exams which you want. So these are the various benefits of the my website. So I hope I could decode my website and could help all those parents who have approached me to understand how they can reach me. Now please do reach out to me. Thank you so much.